Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel, where we strive to make you feel like royalty during all your special occasions. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I know it's been a while since I posted, like probably a couple of months if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me again here. I'm just gonna quickly go over the colors that I use for this setup. So we have some white, any white honestly will do, and then for the yellow I used Kalisan macaron pale yellow, and for the pink I used Sempertex fashion pink stuffed inside of Kalisan macaron pale yellow. So this is a setup that you guys have seen me do before. It's nothing like spectacular or anything, so I don't see the point of going over it with you guys cluster by cluster. But if you have any questions, definitely leave it in the comment section. So if it's okay with you guys, I'm just gonna ramble and rant a little bit, update you guys as well about how everything is going. I've been gone for a couple of months, probably like 3 months or so. It's been kind of hard for me to focus on making content because of some things that are happening in my personal life, and yeah, it's just been really hard to kind of focus and hone in and be able to make time to make these videos for you guys. I didn't necessarily stop taking bookings. I did see a little bit of a, I guess, decrease in how many bookings I was doing, but I didn't mind it. It made me kind of forced me to take a breather and just get some rest and focus on my health, and especially my mental health. So yeah, it was necessary. I think it all worked out the way it was supposed to. But yeah, I do have some footage of, I guess, some of those bookings that I can edit for you guys and upload, so I will be working on that. I don't think that I'm gonna be doing every Wednesday or Sunday like I did in the beginning. I'm just gonna post whenever I feel like I have something to post. I don't want to put too much pressure on it. I just want to enjoy the process of making content surrounding the balloon industry again, because I did kind of lose sight of what was really fun for me, because I was so focused on certain goals and just trying to push out as much content as possible. But yeah, it was getting a little bit overkill, I guess you could say. And something else that I would like to talk to you guys about regarding this particular booking, I actually did it for free. Yes, I did it for free. I'm sure if you're in the industry, you've gotten these DMs from people with a certain platform, I guess, or a certain status in society or whatever, and they ask you if you want to do a setup for them, and then they will post it and tag you and do all that good stuff. So basically pay you in exposure. And I was like, you know what, let me just give it a try. I didn't really have anything to lose except for, the money that I put into the supplies for this setup. But in the end, I guess it was a good experience. The clients were very nice, very appreciative. Would I do it again? Definitely not. I wouldn't say that I got something tangible out of it for my business, but don't knock it if you don't try it. So that was kind of my mentality going into this, like, okay, let's just try it out, and if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Fine. But I would definitely say don't do it if you can't afford it, and don't do it if you don't feel good about it. At this point, how far I am in my business, I think that it's fair to just ask for compensation, and I think you should just use your own judgment when it comes to stuff like this. But me personally, I wouldn't recommend it, and I wouldn't do it again, just because it's a gamble. It's a gamble. But hey, you live and you learn. Overall, I'm really happy with the way the setup came out. I really love the theme. I love the colors. I even got to do a little DIY with the honeycomb. Those were actually made out of popsicle sticks that I glued together with some hot glue, and then I painted them. So yeah, overall, super happy with the end result, and the clients were as well. And I'm just happy to be back making videos. Honestly, I'm alive, I'm healthy, I'm blessed. Like, my business is doing okay. I'm not worried about it at all. I'm just having fun with it, to be honest, because that's what I was kind of missing. So no pressure, no specific goals. I'm just being creative and having fun, and that's what I love about this job and this craft, so yeah. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. As always, you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.